It's me, Kinghuman. I know it's too good to be true, but it's true. It's me in the person. All right. Watch this video. You know what? Don't watch it. I don't care. You do you. I'm not going to beg you to watch my freaking video. I don't care. But if you want to make some dough, you'll listen to me for at least a few seconds because I'm going to challenge you. I'm actually going to pay you if you cannot make money by doing what I'm going to teach you. Here's the deal. I see a lot of guys on YouTube these days. Everybody jumped on board. I can make you money. Do this, side hustle that. Boo, boo, boo. You know what? There are a lot of good guys on here, but there are a lot of guys that are just out for your dough. That's all they want. They want to sell you a course, and that's what it's about. Now, I teach my students that is one of the things that you have to look at. When they strike gold in the hills, don't be the sucker to go panning for gold. Be the guy at the bottom of the hill selling the picks and the shovels, and you'll be the guy that gets rich. While all these other chuckleheads are out there scraping their knuckles and freezing and working their asses off. You don't want to work. You want to make passive income like I do. In a minute, I'm going to show you a clip of me going around and finding little pieces of money that I forgot I even had, and it comes in on autopilot every month. It's crazy stuff. But for now, I want to stay on target if I can get my brain to focus, and tell you, this is my deal. I teach people how to make money online in several different ways because it's not a one-size-fits-all, right? So everybody's different. So I try to give people as many different paths to success as possible. And I do that on my website. It's called Kinghumoneelitecom. And I do charge for it because what I'm about to set you up with is extremely valuable. It's something you're not going to be able to get from anybody else. And that is personal one-on-one coaching from me for free. Go buy anybody else's course out there, right? Go on and get hooked into their funnel where they sell you their cheap little course for $9. And then you get an upsell, and then you get an upsell, and then you get an upsell. By the time you're done, they've hosed you for like $100 or $200. And then take that information that you just bought and then contact them and say, you know what? Can you give me personal one-on-one coaching? And they'll say, sure, for $5,000. I'm here to do that for free for you. And if I can't make you money, I'm going to pay you. I'm going to give you a watch. Wait a minute. Let me grab one. I got one handy, I think. Let me just grab one at random. I got 1 million of these watches to give away. And I bought them for this special challenge. So what is this challenge? Okay, there it is in the box. Let me open the box. What is this challenge? This challenge is if you go to my website and you join and become a member and you follow through for 3 months, I want you to give yourself enough time to be able to be successful. This isn't, hey, one click and money's going to rain down on you from the sky. This takes a little while. So if you put in a full 3 months on this and you don't make any money, I'm going to give you a watch. Here's one of the ladies' watches that I bought. Let me grab one of the men's watches just to show you. I'm going to pull one at random. Let's see. Here's one. I don't know what this is. I got a whole ton of these. So yeah, if you go to my website, Kinghumoneelitecom right now, sign up. Here's another one. I don't know what this one is. Let me pull another one. And if you sign up, hang on. I really need to move over to grab that one. That one's kind of out of reach. Oh, this one's in a fancy wrapper. Hang on. Give it your honest effort. And then just tell me, hey, I tried it. It did not work. Yeah, brand new watches. This one's mechanical, meaning it's self-winding, and it's like one of the... You're going to get a watch at random. I mean, I've got a million different styles, and that's the challenge, right? Because I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm willing to put my complete and total effort behind helping you for free. Now, your membership is going to cost, you're going to get a 7-day free trial on my membership. So you can go in there, you can look in, you can see everything you need to see, download as much as you want in that 7 days, do whatever. I still have throat issues. Do whatever you want with it. I've got a lot of different done for you courses that you can put your name on and sell as your own product, right? Because again, now you're not the guy panning for gold, you're the guy selling the picks and shovels. And I'm setting you up with that. I'm giving you free websites where you can do that. I'm showing you how to make money as an affiliate like I do. And in a minute, I know this is a long ass video, but in a minute, I'm going to show you video where I go and oh yeah, I remember I got an old account over there. It's recurring income that keeps coming in on autopilot. I haven't done a lick of work for years on these websites, and they continue to pay me each and every month. I'm going to teach all of that stuff to you. And again, you got 7 days free trial. If you don't like what you see in there, you click one button and you cancel your membership. You won't be charged a dime. So yeah, that's what's doing. And I know you're going to like what you see in there because everybody does. Every one of my students, I don't think I've had more than maybe 2 people not like it and tell me, hey, this is not for me. I mean, if it's not for you, that's fine. I get that. What I do is not for everybody. That's why I give you the free trial. If it's not for you, no hard feelings. You know, go find your thing. It's out there. You just have to put in the effort. But if you do like what you see in there, every month I give you more content, more done-for-you stuff. And you get free access to me via a private phone number where I will help you personally. I will be your private coach. And I will not charge you $2,000 like every other knucklehead out there would do. It drives me crazy. I mean, when the guys in this industry learned what I was doing, when I told them, yeah, I'm giving them free one-on-one coaching, they said, are you insane? They were mad at me because I am setting a precedent that they do not like. They want to sell you their shit and hands off. You're done. I'm done. I'm out of the equation. I don't have to deal with anybody. I don't care about them. That's their attitude. That's not me. My attitude is, hey, I know I'm on this planet for a limited amount of time. I got a limited amount of time left. You know what would be cool? Is to be able to help empower as many freaking people as I can before I kick the bucket and have to go back to my home planet. That would be cool. That would be helpful. So that's my mindset. If you can find somebody out there like that, go for it. I guarantee you will not. So if you want to be one of my students, you go to my website, you sign up. If that's too much effort for you, and if you think it's a scam, run like a scalded dog. If it's too much effort for you, you're never going to make a penny online. Because this is the easiest way to make money I know of out there. And I've done everything from being a fine art dealer to being a truck driver. I've done it all. I was a battery in the matrix. Then I escaped. Money is a state of mind. Money is something that comes to you when you when you give yourself permission to make money. You've been programmed all your life. You're not good enough to have a lot of money. I know because I was there. And now that I'm out of that situation, I look back at all that negative input. Hey, you're always going to be a loser. You'll be lucky if you're a manager at McDonald's. You go to school. What does school teach you? Does it teach you how to be a millionaire? Does it teach you how to be a success? Does it teach you how to open your own business and become huge? No. It teaches you how to show up on time, how to not question authority, how to take in information and regurgitate that on command. And it teaches you, all of this is in order to teach you how to go out and get a job, stands for just over broke. Why? Because the plutocrats need a huge source of cheap labor. And if they program you to be just that, a source of cheap labor, that's all you will ever be. Unless something or someone wakes you up, grabs you by the throat and says, you don't have to be an employee. You can make huge money. You can become a millionaire. You can stop being a stupid truck driver and you can become a millionaire. But you have to change your mindset and you have to take action and follow through. And you have to let a guy like me yell at you and kick you in the ass and motivate you and teach you what you need to do. Holy crap. Okay, I'm killing myself here. Long ass video. All right, enough of that. Go to thekinghuman.com. Sign up, don't sign up. It's your life. What do I care? And then I'll put you on the path. I'll do my best to put you on the path. I can't promise anything. That's the other thing. If somebody promises you, hey, this is going to make you huge money, run like a scalded dog. They don't know you. They don't know what you're capable of. They don't know if it's a good fit or not. That's just somebody that wants your money. I don't promise you shit. I promise you that I will do everything I can to help you make money, and I will give you the education that I have and the insights and the insider stuff, and I will give you a lot of things that you won't even get on my website through the one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one coaching. I spend hours with my students for free. No, okay, I'm done. I'm done kissing my own tuchus. All right. I was going to show you a video of me going around and picking up 500 here, 300 there, 400 here, of all these other platforms and I recorded it, but it's probably too boring. This video is already way too long. You don't care. And I don't want to bore you. Probably nobody's even watching anymore. How long is this already? I can't even see. Anyway, okay, I haven't made a YouTube video in a million years, and YouTube kind of kicked me out of the algorithm because of it, so I appreciate you watching. If you watched this far, bonus points to you, and I'm watching. I'm keeping an eye out, so anybody that comments, I watched the whole stupid video. There may be a special surprise in this for you. We'll see. I got so much cool stuff. I got so much cool stuff. All right, thekinghumoneelitecom. It's your life. You live it.